Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the most common method to transfer money from the Nedbank Money app to a Capitec bank account. Start by opening the Nedbank Money app on your phone. Log in using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once you are logged in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Transact button. After that, select Pay. Then tap on Single Payment. This option is used when you want to send money directly to someone's bank account. Now you need to enter the recipient's details. Type in the recipient's full name. For the destination option, choose Bank Account. You will then see a list of banks. Scroll through the list and select Capitec Bank. Next, enter the recipient's 10-digit Capitec account number. Take your time here and make sure the number is correct. If you enter the wrong account number, the money could be sent to the wrong person and it may be difficult to reverse the payment. After entering the account number, type in the amount of money you want to transfer. Once everything is filled in, tap Next. You will see a summary screen with all the payment details. Review the name, bank, account number, and amount carefully. If everything is correct, tap Pay or Finish to complete the transaction. Thanks for watching.